Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Sharmin Faruqi and welcome to Yoga with Sharmin. Today I will show you few yoga postures that will help you to cure and control diabetes posture, and definitely we will talk about diabetes. So let's get started. And we all knows that diabetes is a very common chronic disease and silent killer. I want to tell you shortly that there is two types of diabetes, and here is an organ in our stomach named pancreas, and pancreas produce insulin. Basically, insulin is a hormone, and diabetes is because of pancreas not producing lots of insulin in our body. So if we do yoga every day, then our full body hormonal system works properly, works very better, and regulate properly. So do yoga every day, and if you do yoga every day, then you can definitely control, and if you can, you want to cure also from diabetes. So here is lots of reasons: stress, less physical activity, and to intake lots of allopathy medicine. We are facing diabetes, and it's a leading cause of blindness, kidney disease, then any kind of nervous problem, nervous system, and heart disease also, and lots of problem we are facing if we have diabetes. So friends, let's start few postures for diabetes. And my first posture is Mondukasana. I already shows this exercise lots of time, but this is our only diabetes session. So at first I will show you Mondukasana. To do Mondukasana, I have to sit with Vajrasana like this. So at first we need to take deep breath, like, and then breathe out, and keep your belly tight like this, like inside your belly, and you have to put your both hands here on your navel like this, okay, and hold your breath, then slowly go down like this, and stay here like this straight. Okay, I will show you side way like this. Okay, I'm doing. At first, take a deep breath in, inhale, exhale, then hold your breath, place your both hands here, and go forward to you like this, and hold. Try to hold your breath 30 seconds, and after that you have to breathe frequently and hold this posture. Minimum 1 minute you have to do this posture, Mondukasana. Now slowly inhale and come back. So this is Mondukasana. You have to do this posture every day, minimum 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Then you will get proper benefit, and you can cure from diabetes. And our next posture is Gomukhasana. Gomukhasana, for Gomukhasana, I have to bend my right leg first like this, then my left leg, then I have to lift my left hand like this. This is also good for our back problem, frozen shoulder. Okay, and right hand to our back like this. Inhale and exhale. Frequent breathing, I will show you like this, back side. I hope you can see my hands will be like this. If you try to hold like this, then do this, and cannot hold, then you can do and do as per your ability or as per your flexibility. So do like this. This is Gomukhasan, and Gomukhasan is also very good for diabetes problem. You have to hold here minimum 1 minute. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. You have to breathe every second. Now do it for opposite side. Bend my left knee and right knee up. Right leg up and up. Right hand up. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. And you have to hold here minimum 1 minute. Those who cannot hold 1 minute then can do 30 seconds, but you have to do it every day, at least minimum 2 minutes and more than 5 minutes. Okay, so my next posture will be Ardha Matsasana, but Ardha Matsasana, this is the posture for intermediate or advanced level. Those you cannot do Ardha Matsasana, they can do Bakrasana like this. So at first we have to put our leg like this, Dandasana, and I have to bend my right leg like this. Okay, this is my left hand. I'm taking my left hand in front of my right leg like this, and look at my right hand back side. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. You have to hold here minimum 1 minute. This is for beginners. And next, opposite leg, you have to bend left leg and keep your left hand back to you like this, and bring your right hand in front of your left leg like this, and look back to your left side like this. Breathe. Keep your belly tight. So with this posture, our pancreas is exercised. So lots of pressure on our pancreas, and our hormonal produce. Also stay here 1 minute. So this is for beginners, and for intermediate to advanced level, you can do Matsyendrasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana, you have to bend your right leg like this, and your left leg up from this. Then you have to put your okay, I will do like this. My left hand back to my back, right hand, and look at your left side and breathe. Try to keep your belly tight. And next side, bend left leg, right leg up, then put your right hand back to you, bring your left hand in front of your left leg, and if you can, you hold here, or if you cannot, then you can do also like this, and look at to your right side, to your back. Breathe. Try to keep your belly tight. You also stay here 1 minute. Here is a very good exercise on our pancreas. Okay. before doing all these exercises, we have to do some warm up, like to do our body warm, like this. Inhale, exhale, slowly, slowly. And you can circle like this. Breathe in and breathe out slowly, slowly. I'm sitting with Siddhasana. My right ankle is up. Now opposite side, anti-clockwise, inhale and exhale. And our next posture is Baddha Konasana, like this. You also do like this. This is also good for diabetes. And very easy. You have to do this 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay. Then definitely Kapalbhati Pranayam. Kapalbhati Pranayam is very, very good for all of the disease, but diabetes is main, because our if we do Kapalbhati like this, then our pancreas also feel pressure, and it exercise lots. Okay, so how to do Kapalbhati? Kapalbhati, we all know that it's a shining scale. When we are doing Kapalbhati Pranayam, then we feel lots of energy from our body. So to do Kapalbhati Pranayam, you have to breathe normally from your nostril. And what to do when you are breathe out, you have to force when you are breathing out, and breathe in automatically from your nostril, like this. I'm holding here by mudra. We are forcing when you are breathe out in our stomach. Every day you have to do this Kapalbhati Pranayam minimum. At first you have to start 5 minutes, then gradually you will take your time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And those who have chronic diabetes problem, they slowly you will do like this. Take 5 seconds time and do like this. And you have to do every day, half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening, if you want to cure diabetes. Then, and you have to do it very slowly. Those who have heart problem, diabetic, and any kind of chronic problem, complications, do Kapalbhati Pranayam slowly. Take 5 seconds time when you are breathing in. When you are breathing out, also take 5 seconds time. And those who have any problem, they can do fastly. Okay, next is our Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is also very effective. You have to do like this. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, we always start from our left side. Okay, we breathe from our left side, shut our mouth like this. Then also breathe out from our right nostril, and also breathe in. Breathe out from left. Do with me. So this is our Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So friends, I hope that you like the yoga videos and yoga postures for diabetes, and I really wish and I really hope that you will do all these yoga poses at your home. And definitely, if you do these yoga postures every day and can control your food habit, then definitely you can cure from diabetes if you want. So friends, do yoga every day. If you do yoga every day, then you will properly fit from your physical fitness, your mental fitness, and your spiritual fitness. So be happy, be healthy, and do yoga every day. And next time, see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.